everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Now Numb to Fitness, a channel where I make mainly healthy vegan recipes, and I'm currently on a fitness journey, so if that interests you, then feel free to subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. So in today's video, I thought I'd show you what I'm planning for the week to eat. So I have my meal plan. Now I'm not really going to show you anything for breakfast because for breakfast I normally have smoothies or oatmeal, and that's not something that I prep ahead of time. I like to eat oatmeal fresh. And for the smoothies, I just have, bags of kale, spinach, mango, pineapple, frozen berries in Ziploc bags, frozen bananas, and I just take my blender to the freezer and pop the fruit that I want to have that day in, add some unsweetened almond milk, some water, and just blend it up. I also add vanilla protein powder in it as well, and like the green spinach powder. And if I'm having oatmeal, then I'll just top it with bananas and berries, almond butter, and some cinnamon, walnuts, and that's about it. So I prepped a lot of vegetables. I cut up like 6 zucchinis, and I sauteed that in a pan, and I sprinkled some adobo seasoning on it. I also sliced up some green peppers and onions, and I just seasoned that with salt and pepper. And I just added a little bit of grapeseed oil in the pan. And the reason why I'm meal prepping this is because this is going to be the topping to go on my pizza. I got lavash bread, and you can use any type of bread, even tortillas would work with this, but I got lavash bread, and I'm going to use Trader Joe's pizza sauce, add the veggies anytime I want, so everything's already prepped for me. I don't have to worry about cooking it each day when I come home. And then I just top it with some dairy-free cheese and nutritional yeast, a few dashes of hot sauce, and I just let it sit in the oven at 400 degrees for a few minutes. It's going to be very easy to come home and make a homemade pizza without having to do a whole bunch of cooking. And with the pizza, I pop some fries in the air fryer sometimes. For the fries, sometimes I switch up the seasoning. This time I added pepper, onion powder, some seasoned salt, and I believe I added a little bit of garlic powder as well. I just added a little bit of grapeseed oil and I popped it in the air fryer. So I like to prep a big salad for the week as well. I have some spinach in here and some carrots along with some red onion. I made a Thai peanut dressing to go with this. So for the Thai peanut dressing, I added raw, unsalted peanuts, and I used a half cup, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, a half cup of water, a small piece of a lime, no rind, you don't want it to be too bitter, 2 teaspoons of chili garlic sauce, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. So I'm going to be using this dressing to eat with my salad throughout the week. I'm also going to be using the peppers and onions to make some teriyaki tofu. So I have this super firm tofu right here. I'm just going to cut it into cubes. Then I season it with pepper and garlic powder. Put a little bit of grapeseed oil in the pan as well. And I just let it brown on each side until it's nice and crispy. So I added the peppers and onions, then I added the teriyaki sauce, and this is Panda Express brand. I added some sriracha onto that, and then I just turned off the heat, and it is finished. I have these little steamer bags of rice, and I ended up using 2 of these bags because I don't always want to, cook rice on the stovetop. Sometimes it's just quicker if I have a lot to do that day. And I have this frozen bag of broccoli. I'm just going to steam this on the stove top, and now I'm putting the rice and the broccoli, the tofu, everything into my containers. I'm just going to have this to grab and go each day. And I also bring fruit with me on the go. I bring strawberries and grapes and oranges if I want to snack on something. I also like the Nature's Bakery fig bars. Those are really good. I'll make sure to always have snacks on me if I'm at home so that I don't come home and binge eat. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's meal prep video. That is everything I'm going to be eating this week. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.